Erica means when we talk about nature, I need to know that the place is paved or flat and not gravel and not all dug up dirt so that I could enjoy it, and wheel around and feel safe. And I would probably rarely ever go alone unless it's at a park or at a trail that I'm familiar with. As an artist, it's almost a given that I'd love nature. And I did encounter quite a few obstacles trying to do that. But I've always expressed it in my art. In college, I did a couple series of paintings. One of them was wishful thinking, which were three wishes I had. One was wishing that I'd be among nature a little more. And then in the second set of series was inspired by Asher B. Durand, Kindred Spirits. And it was four paintings of big landscape and a little figure. They all sold, by the way, and they were, what, 3 inches by 8 inches watercolors. And I was just so excited that people got it. People got what I was trying to do. That's exciting for an artist when the audience just get it. But that was my love for nature. So I'm so grateful that I'm able to experience nature a little closer now, by myself, which is very important because they're more accessibility for wheelchairs that are nicely integrated into nature. It's more thoughtfully designed, especially true with the trails that I've seen at the museum, the Crystal Bridges Museum. And also because I have friends, a nice network of people who help me out, with their own beautiful pictures and are kind enough to share with me so that I could turn them into my art and hopefully express myself a little better and with a little bit more wisdom.